the services, to the contribution, and to the efforts of Rajab Tayyip Erdogan, who has been rightly quoted by Dr. Furqan Hamid as the tiger of the Islamic world. And over the years, we've seen the progress and development of Turkey. So where he's focused on international issues and he's taken friendly countries along, where he's spoken about the plight of the innocent Palestinians, the plight and the struggle of the innocent victims of Gaza. At every forum, international forum, be it the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, be it the D8 Summit, be it the United Nations, there has been a strong voice raised in favor of the innocent Palestinians by Rajab Tayyip Erdogan. And we salute him for this. Because the genocide by Israel going on in Palestine is targeting women and children, innocent people. So I think we are duty bound to raise our voice wherever we can, however we can, for the innocent Palestinians, especially the people of Gaza, the way they've been subjected to the worst kind of attacks, the worst kind of treatment. And recently you've seen that access to food has been blocked, access to humanitarian aid has been blocked, which is no less than a catastrophe. And when we see the world over, one of the strongest voices in favor of the innocent Palestinians has been the voice of His Excellency Rajab Tayyip Erdogan. And we have echoed that. My Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif at every forum continues to take up this issue. Pakistan has been one of the few countries who have not only sent humanitarian aid to the people of Palestine, but we are accommodating our dear Palestinian students in medical colleges of Pakistan. So I think it is also a convergence of ideologies. It is a convergence of thoughts. तो ख़वातीन और हज़रात, ये जो फ़लस्तीन का एक मामला है, उस पर बात करना, निहत्ते मज़लूम फ़लस्तीनियों, गज़ा के रिहायशियों के लिए जिसमें ख़वातीन बच्चों के साथ वो मज़ालिम ढाए जा रहे हैं जिसका सोचा भी नहीं जा सकता, उस पर जब आवाज़ उठाई है तो मुस्लिम उम्मा में रजब तैयब एर्दोगान साहब की एक बहुत तवाना आवाज़ है जो पूरी दुनिया ने सुनी है। जहाँ पाकिस्तान अपना किरदार अदा कर रहा है और करता रहेगा कि निहत्ते फ़लस्तीनियों के लिए ना सिर्फ आवाज़ उठाने में बल्कि इमदादी सामान उन तक पहुँचाने में, उनके तालिब इल्मों को पाकिस्तान में तालीम के मौक़े फ़राहम करने में, तो मैं ये समझता हूँ कि ये सबसे तवाना आवाज़ तैयब एर्दोगान साहब की रही है, जिसको हमने एको किया है। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने हर फोरम पे इस पर बात की है। So ladies and gentlemen, I join you in paying a rich tribute to the leadership, to the legacy of President Rajab Tayyip Erdogan, and how he has not only spoken for the Muslim world but also for Pak-Turk friendship. I pay my gratitude to all the dignitaries present here, all great friends of Pakistan who have already mentioned, the Excellency ambassadors, the High Commissioner here. Pakistanis are a very peace-loving nation. We believe in world peace, but you've recently seen that when it comes to protecting the territorial integrity of our country, Pakistan has shown, alhamdulillah, its strength also. So I would like, on a concluding note, to just share with you that we really value our friends the world over, and we really value our relationship with our friends. And over the years, the relationship that we built with you, it has great potential in the future. And the friendship with Turkey over the years has strengthened into a bond, an unbreakable bond, that in hard times and in good times, my leadership has always received great motivation from the leadership of Rajab Tayyip Erdogan, and he is a leader who is revered, admired, and loved by the people of Pakistan. Yasha Sin Turkey, Yasha Sin Pakistan. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.